This video, I'll be decorating our master bedroom for spring. I'll continue the green and white decor that I started in our little bathroom. This is actually the second room that I've both spring cleaned and decorated in this series, and I'll be uploading more, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I actually tried to get a jump on the decorating when I did the spring cleaning in our room, and you can see that video right here. But I didn't like how the greens went together, so I'm kind of starting all over. Starting with the sheets. The sheets, I mean, I like the color, but it just didn't go with the comforter that I wanted to use. So here I am taking the sheets off and putting white sheets on. The soft jersey sheets because they don't slide around, but when I'm making the bed, the not sliding around part, it kind of slows down the bed making process, so usually have to go back and forth quite a bit to get it where I want it, and so that it's not all wrinkled up. And I absolutely hate wrinkles in a bed. My Hepster was having trouble sleeping, and I had heard that weighted blankets help with that, so I actually got this one here at Target. It's a 20-pound weighted blanket, and I paid about $60 for it, but I later found it online and it was cheaper on Amazon and it was bigger, so I wish I would have got that, but I didn't. This is the one I got, but I will put a link in the description below if you're interested in the weighted blanket. My husband actually loves it. This is a Eddie Bauer quilt set that I got a few years ago. It was on clearance at Kohl's, but I did find a link to it, and I'll put that in the description below too if you're interested in that. If you've been watching our channel for a while, these curtains might look a little familiar because they came from our front room. I'm doing spring cleaning through the whole house, and in the front room I'm going to put green curtains up, so instead of packing these away, I thought they looked pretty good in here, and I didn't like the green curtains that I tried in here, so I just stole these out of our front room. will say I'm pretty happy that I switched out from the green sheets to the white sheets. Not just because the green's not matching the way that I thought they would, but I don't know. White sheets just seem like they feel fresher and cleaner. Plus, they're just super easy to clean up because I'm a slobber, so I'll stain that white pillowcase up pretty quick. But I don't know. You just throw some peroxide in it and it just washes right out. I mean, that's why hotels use white sheets, is because they're just so easy to clean up. So, yeah. I stole this little throw blanket from the front room too. All the wall decorations that I'm using in our bedroom, I actually got from Hobby Lobby. I swear whenever I walk into that store, it's just like, here, please take my money. But they do run sales quite often, and I actually got all of these on sale for 50% off because they were having the 50% off wall decor. So I got it all 50% off, with the exception of the two that you're going to see me use later on. I actually got those 70% off because they were damaged. So I talked to the manager and I got it discounted even more. So they didn't get all my money. These are the pictures that I got at Hobby Lobby for 70% off. One of the frames was broke. I mean, not actually broke, but it was coming off. And I got it discounted for 70% off. So all that I had to do was fix it. It really wasn't that hard. It came in a pair, and there was only one of them that needed repaired. So, yeah. pretty happy with the purchase. It's a scripture from Ruth 1:16. It says, "Where you go, I'll go, and where you stay, I'll stay." I really like using wire to hang our pictures. It's easy to put on the hangers, and it just makes it so much easier for when you're trying to hang it up on the wall and to level them out. The candles are battery operated, and I've had those for years, so I really don't know where they came from. And then the daily devotional I got from a secret sister, so again, I don't know where that came from either. This is the finished product. I actually kept it pretty simple, and I'm pretty happy about that because it just feels open and clean and fresh and airy, so I think it's perfect for spring.